Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Welcome back Sandy Home Recipe. Send the kind I will share a video. Remember to subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. No me notification bell no. Say the video be a better one Sabeka. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. And we shall say Crostata al Cioccolato. This is an Italian recipe. All ingredients are written in the description box below. We bought 3 eggs egu ade a ubeye wumu. O de 100 gram sugar that's zucchero aka ho. Now the lemon yeast is aka ho. $100 gram oil. What we see now together? So all we see we pay. Now the 320 gram all-purpose flour, that's farina, egumu. With the 1 sachet of baking powder, that's Lievito. With the salt kakra, that's sally. What mixing na amana for me do? O mix ya say na de eye. We na that to working surface so. Na what to do the kakra de ato enchen. Na wa roll the aka no. Why we no? Na da to prepare pie mu. Wo de unsa amiamia so kakra. Wo wi anu atwa edges no. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video we will post. We will the cattle one when also rolling. No what you channel and tia. What they are to enche. Now they will chocolate me soon no chola. What they gum. Now what spreading in na then e wo mu. Do now you try to enche no wa arrange e wo chocolate in so. We are not the be enso esili edges no. What baking in 180 degrees for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, no way. One manajo. ansa na wa serve. Yep, ma cho se na di kan a wo hwe video a memma rate subscribe na wa share na wa like na wa mia notification bell no say the video bia beto a wo sabeka me ye na me tasty and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try, and you can also add it to your Christmas menu. Now this is our Crostata al Cioccolato. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.